This is our new refrigerator. It's pretty nice. It's got a water dispenser here and ice dispenser. I'll show you how that works. You can have either crushed ice or cubes. So I've got it on cubes. It shows like little dots there. That means it's cubes. Push in here and release it when you have enough ice in there. Okay, you can see I could put more, but that's for the ice. Then this part up here is for the water. It's got a filter down below too. You have to change it periodically. Push on here, and it dispenses the water. It's already cold too, but it's going to be colder now with the ice. And release that. There you have it. Very simple, very convenient. I'll set that aside. The one side of the refrigerator is the freezer. The ice maker takes up a lot of room, but there is still a lot of freezer space. As you can see, the shelves, and there's some shelves on here on this side. We got a fair amount of things in there. Okay, I'm going to close that. And the other side is the refrigerator part. It holds, it's nice in the door, it's got, you can put whole gallons of milk in several places. We got orange juice and some soda and other things too, but it holds a lot of things. A lot of shelves. Yeah, that's our new refrigerator.
Soda, limes, apples, Yakult,
Gotta have my beer
eggs, coffee, beer cans, seasonings,
too. Eggs, you got the eggs. Bacon is here.
bacon for breakfast.
Yep. Soda, we got apples down in the bottom and limes. Yeah. So it's nice. It's a nice refrigerator. I'm going to close the door. And that's about it.
Thank you so much for watching.